Hi guys, and welcome to the Watson fam. As you can probably see in the background, the girls are ready for our, I suppose our little challenge.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do?
Take the hill washing machine.
We're going to take the, excuse all the noise in the background, we're going to take the washing machine apart. It's Mum's favourite washing machine. She's out at the moment, so we're going to take it apart. We don't need to do any more washing. And we're going to turn it into a fire pit. Ready? What do we think of that, girls? Chloe, what's your opinion on it all?
Good.
Yeah, take it all apart. Excellent, Jazz.
We don't need to do more washing.
No, we don't need to do any more washing. You're going to take this apart? Here we go. Right, let's get started. Put these screws down here. Present for you.
Oh, because it scared me.
Can you undo them?
Hey.
There we go, well done. Here we go, Chloe's taking the screws out. Jasmine's just bringing the chicken over to help.
Oh, hello.
Oh,
Hello.
excellent. Always good to have a chicken in shot.
Yeah, lovely.
There we go, we'll have a little zoom round of Jazz here. She's on the case, getting the washing machine taken apart. Teach her the skills needed to take things to pieces without using a hammer. Well, we might use a hammer in a minute though.
Well, that's my job.
What we got there, Chloe? What we got? A screw. There you go, so the next bit, what are we doing? In fact, Chloe, what are we doing now? What bit are we taking off?
We are taking off the back.
The back of the washing machine?
Yes. Not microwave. A washing machine. Washing machine. 2 screws.
Lovely, there we go.
2 screw dead.
Jazz doing a brilliant job here.
No, I'm so amazing. Hello. Hi. So here I am. I'm taking out the screws on this side.
You're doing a brilliant job, Chloe.
The bottom ones are always the tightest. There you go.
They
got
are.
it though. Hello. Oh, crunch. Crunch, crunch. Crunch, crunch. Doing a great job. Well done. I know I always do a great job.
Right, so the girls have now got all the screws out from their sides and the top of it. So now they're going to try and get the top off the washing machine, aren't we?
Yeah.
Are we going to give it a go then?
Yeah. Oh,
That's it. Look at that, look. Expertly done, Chloe. Right, that's the drum. So we're going to have to take all that apart so that we can turn that bit into a fire pit. Lovely job. It's scary, Chloe.
scary.
Right, okay, Chloe. We've got a load of the screws out now, haven't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you ready? What are you going to do?
So I'm going to use my superpower blue gloves.
They are very super.
Yes, very, very super.
What are we removing?
I'm going to remove this.
Go for it.
Powerful.
Show us how super powered you are.
Oh, there's a ball.
There she goes. She's getting it. She's pulling it off.
I pulled it. Chloe. Come on, Chloe. Believe in you. Oh,
Yeah! Right. Here we go. Chloe is now taking out we think the last 2 screws to the front where the door
Hopefully.
is, and then the front should come off. This is what we hope, isn't it, Jess?
And I still have my powerful gloves on, just so you know.
The blue power gloves.
Yep, that's where I'm getting all of my power from.
Excellent. We were impressed with the amount of power you have.
Screws.
Yeah.
Powerful.
Lovely.
amazing.
Some more screws. Okay, so we now realise what we realised, Chloe.
We can't take the front off because of this sneaky screw.
A sneaky bolt. Sneaky
Yes,
bolt.
bolt.
So Chloe's got her special ratchet kit out, haven't you? with your socket on the end, and she with her special gloves on, ready to go. Go for it, Chloe. Show us how it's done.
So obviously you
can
put
undo
it on.
You got it.
And then
Obviously you put it on.
And then you undo it and take it off.
Brilliant.
Also, I took off the door.
Perfectly done.
That's where the door went. Because everything I do is perfectly done. Hello.
Hello, Jasmine.
Hi.
There we go. Close on it. Let's do it from
It's
above
coming.
view. Here we go.
Oh, hello.
Here we go. You're removing the door. Will it come off?
I'm scared. It's the bit in the middle. It comes off apart from the bit in the middle.
Hang on then. Here we go, girls. Both together. We've now loosened off the back
Again,
bit.
powerful gloves.
Powerful gloves.
Where's mine?
Take it away.
You don't have powerful gloves.
Woohoo! Look at that.
Water,
Expertly
water,
done. Expertly
Warning.
done.
Water. Warning, water.
There we go. There's the drum bit that we want. So we've still got a bit more work, haven't we?
My new home.
To
Now
get
I've
that
got
out.
decorate it.
Okay, girls. So what have you got undone now?
The side.
Let's remove them. Jazz is on it.
Me.
Go and use them power gloves, Chloe. Well done. There we go. Right. So we've got all the sides off now. Let's get it apart and turn it into a fire pit. Lovely.
Yeah.
Right, so we've now got all the sides, the top and the front off the washing machine, as you can see. So Jazz is now about to, we have to release all the bolts that hold the springs on. I've got one off, there it is. So they're
This
over here,
one?
look. So
How
they're
do
what
you do it?
support the centre drum. And we've got to take them off so we can release the centre. Don't worry, Jazz, I'll give you a hand to undo it. Here we go. Right, so hang on, Jazz.
Hang on.
So I'm going to do this
There you
bit.
go.
I'm going to do this bit just because of the springs, so the girls don't get hurt, because they will go boing. So we don't want anyone to get hurt, you know. So I'll do this, and then I'll get hurt instead.
Oh no. Scary business. Hello. Hello.
There we go. It's another one undone. Take that off.
Boom.
So as you can probably see, or probably hear in the background, Chloe has decided it's much more fun to break everything that's left from the washing machine with a hammer.
Yeah.
There we go. Hang on. Here's Chloe. This is what not to do with all the bits that are left to go in the bin. There we go.
Oh my god. Ah! She just broke a bit off.
There we go. Right.
Hello.
So me and Jazz are finishing doing this for today. Chloe's disappeared after demolishing bits with a hammer.
Yeah.
So me and Jazz have done everything we can. We're going to return to it in the morning. So
Yeah.
ready for the morning, we have the drum section all removed. Here we go, there it is. We've just got the last bits to take off, haven't we, Jazz?
Yeah.
Take last bits off, motor,
Yeah.
all the weights, disassemble the drum,
And
and
boom.
then we should have a centre part of a washing machine, the drum section, ready to make a fire pit.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Then we
See you
need
in a mo.
some marshmallows.
Ah, marshmallows. Let's hope we can
Yeah.
get some marshmallows then.
Yeah.
And some
Let's go
wood.
now.
And some stuff to burn. Lovely.
Burn. Burn. Burn me.